हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स। मैं हूं अनुराधा। आज के सेशन में हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टैट पिक्चर्स की। आपको पता है टैट यानी थीमेटिक अपरसेप्शन टेस्ट एसएसबी इंटरव्यू का फर्स्ट साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट है, जिसके थ्रू साइकोलॉजिस्ट आपके अंदर की क्वालिटीज को इवेलुएट करते हैं। यहाँ आपको 11 पिक्चर्स और लास्ट में एक ब्लैंक स्लाइड दिखाया जाता है और हर एक पिक्चर और ब्लैंक स्लाइड के लिए आपको एक एक स्टोरी लिखना पड़ता है। यानी इन टोटल यू हैव टू राइट 12 स्टोरीज इन टैट। ये स्टोरीज होती हैं आपके क्वालिटीज चेक करने का एक इंपॉर्टेंट वे फॉर दी साइकोलॉजिस्ट। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के सेशन में। हम यहाँ पे आज दो सैंपल पिक्चर्स देखेंगे, उसके साथ साथ ऑब्जर्वेशंस करेंगे और मैं आपको एक सैंपल स्टोरी बता सकती हूँ जिससे आपको एक आइडिया हो जाए किस तरह की स्टोरी आपको लिखना पड़ेगा। उसके साथ साथ मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगी कि उस स्टोरी से इंटरप्रिटेशन कैसे कर किया जाएगा, यानी साइकोलॉजिस्ट आपके कौन से क्वालिटीज उस स्टोरी से इंटरप्रेट कर सकते हैं। स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द फर्स्ट पिक्चर। I would want you to pause the session here for 30 seconds and observe the picture carefully. Now, as you've observed, let us see what things we could see in the picture. We could see that a lot of people are there, right? बहुत सारी भीड़ दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पे। एक टेम्पल दिखाई दे रहा है, 2-3 बिल्डिंग्स दिखाई दे रहा है, एक मॉस्क दिखाई दे रहा है। पास में पानी दिखाई दे रहा है जहाँ पे some people are bathing and there are a lot of people we could see wearing looking like priests. Some people wearing turbans, some people are bathing in the river, some are standing on the steps of the water body. Okay, so basically ये एक river घाट की तरह दिख रहा है and people are breathing there, they are taking a religious bath there. So देखते हैं इस तरह के पिक्चर पे क्या स्टोरी लिख सकते हैं। Okay, so this is a sample story that I provided for you. I would not suggest you to copy paste the story. बस आप ये story पढ़ के एक idea कर सकते हैं। Rahul, a third year mechanical engineering student from Uttar Pradesh Technical University, just concluded his major internship from the ONGC Dehradun. He, in agreement with his college mates, planned to visit Haridwar during their return. First, in 2017, they reached Haridwar and after offloading their luggage in the hotel, they made their way towards the temple at the banks of Ganges. The crowd was congested in the early afternoon hours when Rahul sighted a young boy sobbing. Rahul, along with his mates, went to him and found that he got lost from his family and relatives who came from Mumbai. Immediately, the group took the kid to entrance inquiry area where there was a counter for announcement. Shubham was announced repeatedly till half an hour when his parents came to the inquiry area. The family thanked Rahul and his teammates for the prompt action and left them with an invitation to Mumbai. Rahul and his mates were very motivated as they exhibited a brave and noble deed. Okay, so it's kind of a story where the person is saving a little child and handing over to his parents. So देखते हैं इस तरह के स्टोरी से क्या क्या क्वालिटीज हम देख सकते हैं। फर्स्ट, इफेक्टिव इंटेलिजेंस, क्योंकि इफेक्टिव इंटेलिजेंस वर्क्स व्हेन यू आर इन क्राइसिस सिचुएशन, तो वो इंटेलिजेंस लेवल राहुल यानी मेन हीरो में हमें देखने को मिल रहा है। रीजनिंग एबिलिटी है, द वे ही टुक द एक्शंस एज फास्ट एज ही कैन. He went to the inquiry area and made the mic announcements. Power of expression is there since he went to the little kid and asked why he was sobbing. He could have avoided, but he didn't. Self-confidence is there since Rahul, by virtue of his experience and his attitude, wanted to help the boy. Determination could be seen in making the boy meet with his parents. Organizing ability भी है, जिस तरह वो execute किया अपने plans को. Initiative उन्होंने खुद लिया, वो बच्चे से जाके पूछा. Courage है because in order to save the child, in order to help the child, he showed courage which many people lack. Cooperation देखने को मिल रहा था, he cooperated with the authorities, with the person, with the little boy who was in a very traumatic situation. Sense of responsibility है because he felt the sense of responsibility for the little child crying. He could have avoided, but he didn't. Stamina is of course because बहुत ज़्यादा भाग दौड़ करना पड़ता है इस सब चीजों में, and he had stamina to do that. Group influencing ability है because Rahul and his friends together they did the thing, so there was a cooperation, a group influencing ability in Rahul. Liveliness भी देखने को मिल रहा है, the way the entire team was lively in spirit from participating in the tour to helping the child. Social adaptability of course है, the way the main character and his teammates were able to hand over the child to his parents. तो ये सारी qualities ही सारे important OLQs stories के through interpret किया जा सकता है. Moving on to the next picture, यहाँ पे भी आप सेशन को 30 सेकंड के लिए पॉज कर सकते हैं and observe the picture carefully. Now let us see इस पिक्चर के थ्रू हम क्या क्या ऑब्जर्व कर पा रहे हैं. We could see a mountain or a rock, okay, a rocky mountain kind of a thing, and 4 people who are tied with ropes with one another and they are climbing up the mountains. So इससे हमें ऐसा स्टोरी लिख सकते हैं that Vicky and his friends just graduated from the Amity University, New Delhi. Vicky has also been a part of the National Cadet Corps with C certificate, and hence he has an experience of visiting several camps. He plans a trekking expedition association with Nehru Mountaineering Institute. The total duration is of 19 days, including 6 days of training. His friends always found him trustworthy on account of his participation across all types of events, be it of academic, cultural, or sport orientation. Each one of them had secured a placement offer from the MNC and had their joining 6 months down the line. After finishing the training from the institute, the group is taking the advanced physical training in the peaks close to Sandakphu range. The picture taken is of the group making an ascent towards a peak. They enjoyed the training session and it was a great experience of teamwork with bonding and memorable moments. So a lot of qualities we could see in Vicky, the main protagonist here. So let us see what qualities we could assess. First, of effective intelligence, because he took the decision to go for the training and go for the mountaineering experience, trekking expedition, that is. Reasoning ability here, because obviously as the reasoning ability to climb the mountain or to go for trekking, you need to have training. So उसने वो दिया है. Power of expression है, because the way he has been a participant in the NCC and he was participant in all other activities. So power of expression was of course there. He persuaded his mates to go and join the training and go for the trekking. Self-confidence है, because Vicky was a part of the NCC, so he had acquired much of the traits from there. Determination भी है, because he has a strong sense of determination for achieving everything in life and to enjoy his life. Organizing ability है, the way he planned the entire expedition. Initiative है, because he took the initiative of going for the training and the trekking. Courage is there, of course, because trekking needs a lot of courage. It's an adventurous sport. Cooperation है, the way he cooperated with his teammates and the authorities over there for the training and the trip. Sense of responsibility is there in the because the teammates trusted Vicky regarding that, so he was responsible for them. Stamina is there, because mountaineering करने के लिए बहुत सारी स्टैमिना की जरूरत है. ग्रुप इन्फ्लुएंसिंग एबिलिटी ऑफ कोर्स है, बिकॉज विकी ने अपने ग्रुप मेट्स को इन्फ्लुएंस किया, उनको भी अपने साथ ले जाने के लिए. लाइवलीनेस है, अगेन because he has the NCC experience and he was an active participant in everything. So Vicky was a lively person. He was also adventurous in spirit. Social adaptability could be seen the way Vicky, projected his personality in the story. तो ये था हमारे आज के 2 पिक्चर्स जिसके बारे में हमने ऑब्जर्व किया चीजें और फिर हमने स्टोरीज भी देखे. उससे मैंने आपको इंटरप्रिटेशन करके भी बताया कि इस तरह के OLQs या क्वालिटीज आपके अंदर से साइकोलॉजिस्ट असेस कर सकते हैं आपके स्टोरीज के थ्रू. तो इसी तरह आपको स्टोरी भी लिखना है इन दोनों पिक्चर्स के, और एक साथ साथ मैं आपको एक होमवर्क भी दूंगी. ये है इसका पिक्चर होमवर्क का. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स पे इस पिक्चर को 30 सेकंड्स के लिए ऑब्जर्व करने के बाद 4 मिनट में एक स्टोरी लिख के शेयर कीजिए, ताकि मैं पढ़ पाऊँ कि आप किस तरह का स्टोरी लिखना स्टार्ट किए हैं या लिख सकते हैं. Now, if you want to prepare for your upcoming SSB interview like this, I would request you to join our SSB interview online course, which is the best online course in the market. इसके थ्रू आपको 5 day SSB प्रोसीजर के बारे में फुल जानकारी मिलेगी और आप हमारे साथ लाइव क्लासेस में भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. अगर आप बाकी कोई भी रिटन डिफेंस एग्जाम के लिए भी प्रिपरेशन लेना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए भी कोर्सेज आपको हमारे ऐप के थ्रू मिल जाएंगे. So download our SSB Crack Exams Learning app today and use the code WARRIOR10 to get yourself 10% discount on these courses. That was it from my side. I'll hope to see you very soon with something more helpful and insightful for your upcoming SSB interview preparation. Till then, stay tuned with us and always stay positive and motivated. जय हिंद.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, तो आप एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें. आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं.